So we're going away earlier than planned. We weren't supposed to be going anywhere new until next weekend's show. Is that Melbourne next week, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we weren't supposed to be going anywhere. But I've been so grumpy.
She's been a pain in the ass, alright?
But he's...
Face it.
I have, yeah. That was because we ended our last holiday 4 days early because of the bad weather, so I felt like I've been at home forever.
And you've been miserable. So she needs to go back out in the motorhome. So here we are, back out in the motorhome. Road trip!
So yeah, you'll see where we are when we get there.
Yeah.
Although, it's a bit further afield than what we'd originally planned.
I told her we can go wherever you want, just keep it within an hour and a half of where we live. Nearly 2.5 hours away we go in. Lies.
It's not lies if I didn't check the map.
Lies. 100% lies.
I did buy you a treat just now. You've got a nice full belly. So we'll see you in a bit.
Now to be fair, we could have come tomorrow and paid 80 quid odd to go look at some stones in the field, but I don't want to pay 80 quid to look at some stones in the field. Even though I want to go look at some stones in the field.
I really want to look at some stones in the field as well.
So we're going to go try and find the free spot. Stonehenge, I think he called it.
Yeah. And actually, I couldn't have got us a site closer, could I?
Well, love, we're staying at Stonehenge camping site.
Yeah. So if we come all the way up here and then I haven't seen the stones, I'll be camping.
We could always arrange some rocks in the garden, love.
Yeah, I might actually. I'm going to take a photo of Stonehenge when I see it and then I'm going to do that.
Alright.
Why not?
That wasn't what I meant.
I know. But anyway, so we've got to go find this sneaky little lane, I think it is, and we've got to do a bit of walking, haven't we?
Don't mind a bit of walking, do we, love?
No, we could do with it actually, couldn't we?
A little bit of walking, I saved 80 quid. Get in.
I don't feel so guilty making you drive 2.5 hours now.
I don't feel so bad driving 2.5 hours. It's a full tank of fuel there I just got back.
Actually,
and you know what that means? Another road trip.
Happy days.
Things we do, huh?
Well, this is a little bonus weekend anyway, isn't it? So
it's going to be a nice cheap bonus weekend by the looks of it.
Yeah, the sun's out as well.
We chased the sun because it's raining back in Wales.
Yeah, so I thought, well, let's just get out of miserable rainy Wales this weekend.
Yep.
And adventure over here.
So that's what we're gonna do.
It is a nice view though. I mean, look at all these lovely open fields and stuff. Oh, there's a couple of black clouds in the sky. It's not forecasted rain though, so we should be alright this time. I thought I might just keep the camera on so you guys might be able to see where this cheeky little lane is.
So he said to take a right by the ambulance centre.
Is that here then?
I don't know, because that doesn't to me look like an ambulance
That looks
centre.
like an MOD.
Yeah, it looks like a military base.
Yeah.
Of sorts. It's to stop all the people going in to see Stonehenge for free, innit?
Yeah, but we always like a bargain, we do. Yeah, prohibited area, that's
ammunition
MOD.
compound.
There's a lot of tanks around up here as well though, isn't there?
Yeah.
We can't be that much further now, surely.
No.
Ooh, oh, that's locked. Can't get in there. Whoa.
Watch me.
We can't get in there. It says no access to public beyond this point.
Do you want to go walking or not?
I'm not walking through a dodgy public no access. What if we get shot?
Do you want to see Stonehenge or not? That's where we're going.
I thought it was up by there past the ambulance. We have to go through. They said go up that road turn right at the ambulance centre. I think you need to check your sat nav. I ain't risking getting shot to see a stone.
This isn't military land, love. That area over there is.
Well, what's that sign about then?
Stop trying to stop people from... he said you had to go over a gate.
I'm not convinced that's the place to be. But then again, there's a lot of trees in that area, so I would suggest it's probably in there. God forbid you can see it from the road and actually take a photo.
Oh, you might be right.
Sam.
Playing. Oh. Right, I think you're right. Okay.
You wanted to swear then? Because he's just realised that he's parked in a dodgy lay-by and there's a road behind us and we literally have to reverse onto a main road because there's no other way we're going to get out of this spot. I think I'll be coming back to this. I think every time we get in this motorhome there's always some sort of near-death experience.
I just like getting stuck. Or nearly stuck.
I was literally in the road and I was like trying to stop traffic.
And they weren't stopping.
Nah, they were like, forget it, love. Nearly took me out a couple of times, didn't they? 60 mile an hour road, mind. Trying to manoeuvre yourself round, and fair play, you did it.
Yeah.
Little 180 in the lay-by. And I mean, it was a tiny, tiny lay-by.
Well, on the lay-by it was like a side road, but it was gated pretty much straight away, so I pulled in and had to stop.
I think I got had by hogweed again.
What's that?
I think I've been had by the hogweed. My ankle feels like it's on fire again. I'm sure I got had by hogweed a couple of weeks ago when we went away and my leg literally blistered for about 2 days afterwards. Nasty. Right, yes. So we're in Lark Hill and we were told to go through Lark Hill to where you get to the ambulance station and then turn right.
Now my big toe must have been hacked.
Watch where you're going.
I'm watching.
See the concentration on it. Ooh, let's see if I can turn you around. So this isn't a very nice path, love. My feet are hurting on the flip-flops on the gravelly bit.
I'll give you 100 quid to walk on this road.
All right then,
Let's go.
give it here then.
Are you ready? You recording me?
Yeah, of course I am. You're wearing your t-shirt from work.
Yeah, just watch.
Nice business promotion, love. Do it again. Woo! I got a boomerang that after.
Stonehenge has been was built about 5,000 years ago, and some of the stones, not all of them, but some of them, are actually brought from South Wales.
We get about.
We certainly do. And then there's another stone just over here. That's called the heel stone. Now the heel stone was, they believe, dropped here millions of years ago and was brought here during the Ice Age. So it's likely that Stonehenge was built based on that rock. So that one rock that was dropped here by the Ice Age has made all that.
Yeah, because they started to make some astronomical links with the sun and the moon, and that two stones were a sign of a lunar.
Yeah.
So I thought it was really interesting anyway, and
it was good.
it was really good. So happy with that, happy we did it.
Yeah, it was a nice little day trip.
Well, half hour out.
It was a nice little night trip. We enjoyed it.
Yeah. See you in a bit. So that's us. We've just done Stonehenge. Saved 100 quid. So now tomorrow I think the plan is to go into Salisbury town centre. I think there's a cathedral there and some canals and things like that, so we're going to record that as well. But yeah, today's just been a really lovely day and it's been pretty special. We've hit 200 subscribers, so we're chuffed to bits and we want to thank each and every one of you. So thank you so much for keeping us inspired to continue. Hopefully we'll have some super vlogs for you soon. See you in a bit.